So the door is open. You can see the groups going in. Going to the graves. Yeah, it's exactly the actual cave that we read Surah Al-Jum'ah every day.
Yes.
And now we're seeing it. MashaAllah. And now the Imam is inside, so he will be speaking and let us know what happened. We're entering the cave now. This is the cave.
You guys, so the Imam give you a brief about everything here, okay?
Okay.
Give them your attention.
Sure. Ahmed. Okay, the Imam will be talking now. Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum. Now we are in the cave of Asxaabul KAHF, which mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf. Already we know the story, so I will give you a brief about the cave. In this cave, Asxaabul KAHF, or the guys, hide in this cave for 300 or 309 years, as mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf. How many they were Asxaabul KAHF? Some people said Asxaabul KAHF they were 3, 4th one the dog. Other people said they were 5, 6 one the dog. Allah Azza wa Jal say Rajman bil Ghaib. Rajman bil Ghaib, it means not correct. They are not 3 and they are not 5. Then other people said Asxaabul KAHF they were 7, 8 one the dog. قُلْ رَبِّي أَعْلَمُ بِعِدَّتِهِمْ مَا يَعْلَمُهُمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلٌ. It means just Allah Azza wa Jal and a few people know how many there were Asxaabul KAHF. Hadrat Abdullah ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhuma, cousin of Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam, Mufassir of Al-Quran Kareem, he said Asxaabul KAHF they were 7, 8 one the dog, and here we found 70 graves. I will show you later inshallah the 70 graves. These 7 guys, they were believers. Some people said they are before Isa ibn Maryam, before Jesus. Other people said after Jesus. In the Roman time, and the king was praying to the stone, and anyone who don't pray to the stone, he will kill them. These guys ran away from the bad ruler and hide in this cave. Then they slept in Al-Fajwa in Surah Al-Kahf. وَهُمْ فِي فَجْوَةٍ مِّنْ. In Arabic, this is Al-Fajwa. They slept over there for 309 years. After this time, they wake up, but they didn't know that they slept a long time. They thought maybe they slept one night or some hours. قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم. Then they feel hungry and they said one of them go to buy food. The money, it was a silver. In Surah Al-Kahf, ابعثوا أحدكم بورقكم. In Arabic, there is a difference between waraq and waraq. Waraq, it means a paper, but waraq, it means a silver. They said one of them go to buy food, buy the silver, but when he give the market the money, he know that he was left a long time. He returned to the cave here and tell his friend about the story. Then they passed away here. After 300, the people outside, they be changed and they were believers. And they know about this story. They come here to the cave, but when they arrive here, they found Asxaabul KAHF died. So they carved these tombs, these graves, and buried them here. 1, in the middle here, 2, empty brother, empty grave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 graves, and there 3. Total 7, but it's empty now. Jordanian government gathered all the bones before 50 years ago and put it here in this qabr. After we finish by torchlight in your mobile, you can see the bones. Here, many people ask me about this symbol. This star, it's not Jewish star. Star of Israel, 6.2 of the triangle, but here it's 8. It's a Roman star. After that, we use it in Islamic decoration. Here it is an ancient Islamic writing. It's before 1,200 years ago, and it means they renew the cave in Abbasi's time. And this area, Al-Fajwa, Asxaabul Kahf, they slept over there, and the dog, it was outside in the entrance of the cave. In that time, Qibla, it was oriented to Bayt al-Maqdis, to Al-Aqsa, and Al-Aqsa this way. Here the right, and here the left. Inside to the right, there is a hole for the sun. Sunlight used to come from that hole at midday. When sunset, come through the door. And this stuff, there is some remains. We found it around the cave. It's not belong to them, but it's to the people who lived here after them. Outside, there is Umayyad Masjid. On top, there is a masjid which mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf. This cave was a natural cave, normal cave. After Asxaabul Kahf passed away, the Byzantine carved it. Last renew, this white plaster, white cement since Salah ad-Din al-Ayyubi. Name of this area, Al-Raqim. As mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf, أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا. Hadrat Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma, he said Al-Raqim, name of the area here. And it's Al-Raqim from the past, Wallahu a'lam. Is there any question? Okay, here the ministry made a CD and a DVD. It's covered the cave, Maqam Nabiullah